Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the Charm box from Daily Charme. I'm so excited. This is a bi-monthly nail subscription and I'm so excited about the first one for the year 2025. We're going to dive right into it. And the theme is Valentine's Day. I feel like this is a really great theme just to kind of transition you into that Valentine's Day season. So this is a little bit of nail inspo here. And then on the back of the card is a list of everything that's included in the box, and it also gives you a price point. So we're going to dive right into this really fun box. The first item in here, this is a bonus item, and it is the most adorable thing ever. So this is these little heart-shaped cherries, and this is a little thing that you could attach to your car keys, your purse, or your diaper bag. I'm going to be attaching this to my diaper bag. I also saw that this also came in a red option, so you might have a red or a pink in your box, but I think it's super cute. And then we have some really fun sparkly glass rhinestones. I really like how they have a whole bunch of different pink tones in here. And then we have your red, we have some smaller circle shapes, we have some larger, and there's also some really fun heart ones in here as well. But I love the color scheme of this. This is definitely something, this box, that you could utilize any time of year. Even though it's geared towards Valentine's Day, you could honestly use this stuff any time of the year, which I think is really fun. So we have some nail stickers here. We had those cherries, we had those galaxy hearts. Now we have your traditional conversation hearts, which are so fun. And then we have the next thing in here are some really beautiful loose glitters, which I'm really excited about this because I've been really getting into the loose glitters and they're really fun, especially if you are into gels. It's a great way to do some nail art. So the first one in here, I'm already obsessed with these. These are the most tiniest hearts ever, and they're in the shades of gold. There's pink, there's red, and silver, and they're so cute. They're super, super tiny. You're going to see those in action in just a little bit. And then we have a really pretty pink glitter. There is one of those little hearts on there, but it is a pure pink glitter. That heart's just on the outside of the jar. But I love the packaging, and I really am excited to play with those loose glitters. The next item in here, which I'm so excited to try, this is the Diamond Shine Gel Top Coat. It is a non-wipe. It is also Hema free. I've never tried any of their top coats before. I've tried their cat eyes, so I'm really excited to see how this top coat performs. And I'm already loving this brush. I love a clear bristle brush, so the fact that this has one, I'm all about that. I just feel like it makes the gel top coat just like glide effortlessly over the nail. Now we're getting into some charms. So we have this really fun cherry heart-shaped bow hearts. I think this is so beautiful and just the perfect pop of just like, bling. I just feel like just that alone on a nail would be really pretty. And then bows are really trendy right now. So we have some really tiny bows and they're gold. They're really cute. Those are definitely going to come in handy. Those are so adorable. And then Valentine's Day would not be complete without that perfect Valentine's Day teddy bear. So we have some teddy bear charms, and then we have some rose flowers as well, and they are gold. I really like how just dainty they are. And then we have some really fun hearts that are in gold and silver, and then some like silver and gold dots as well. So the next thing in here, at first, I was like, what is this? Until I looked back at the card. So I didn't know if this was like a chrome, like scrubby thingy, like a silicone like chrome thing. It is like a little squishy. It's supposed to be like a heart fidget thing. And on the description of the card, it was like, instead of picking at your cuticles, pick at this. So this is just a bonus item in the box. It is like a little heart squishy thing. So that's what that is. And then we have a new cuticle nippers, which are in this gorgeous hot pink color. I love that they added these to the box because I use cuticle nippers for nail art and I'm in need of a new one. So then we have some more charms here of some hearts, some flowers, and some bows in that light pink and the black color. I just feel like that black is just something different and pretty unique. And then we have a really fun cat eye polish in the color, the pink notebook. And this is this right here. I love their cat eye polishes. This one to me is pulling a little bit of pink, and it also has like a color shift of an orange. So we'll kind of see how that works out. And then we have some transfer foils here in the most gorgeous array of the Valentine's Day color palette. Those are really fun. And then the last thing in here, we have some more bow charms in this really beautiful red. All right, so we're going to dive into some of the items in the box. We're going to make a set of press-ons on the shape medium almond, and then here's that color. I'm not going to utilize it in today's set. I just felt like it wasn't the vibe I was going for, but we'll definitely play with that a different day. So we're going to create a really simple set. I did a couple of different sets so you can kind of see different options on kind of how to play with these nail charms. I am new into nail charms and kind of just nail art in general. I normally play with dip powders and I take the easy route out when it comes to nail art. I'm really into nail decals, applying nail stickers. I do a little bit of stamping here or there, but I don't really play with a lot of charms. So I thought this year we would dive into this box so we could just dabble into this charm world together. So that's what we're doing this year. We're going to be playing with this charm box, and I'm already really excited about this box. Like I said before, even though it is a Valentine's Day box, I feel like it's a great way to just build up your collection, especially if you're getting into the nail charms. Plus, I had a lot of trendy things in there that I feel like you could definitely utilize, not only for Valentine's Day, but you could definitely use them any time of year. So right now we are using this beautiful sheer milky pink. It is called Bubble Bath. It is from Sundara Nails. It is Hema 21 free. We're going to apply that to 2 of the nails here. I ended up doing 2 coats, and now we're going in with crimson, which is the most gorgeous red. When I think of Valentine's Day and red, my mind immediately goes to this color. And I was looking at all the reds in my collection and I was like, this one to me just screams Valentine's Day. It is just like that bright classic red, and it has the most beautiful subtle shimmer to it where you're still getting like that beautiful red shining through, but yet you have the most like delicate sparkle. And I love the coverage of this gel. You can see here it is applying like a dream. It's not patchy or splotchy or anything like that or streaky. It is a really awesome formula. If you have not tried any of the gel polishes from Sundara Nails, definitely head over to the website and pick up a couple, because the formula, it is everything. It is super, super opaque. You're going to get great coverage, and it is that gentle Hema 21 free formula. All right, so now that we are curing as we go. I'm just curing for 30 seconds. We're going in to build up this color. We're going to end up doing 2 coats, and that 2 coats just really brings this whole entire color just to life. And we're going to keep it fairly simple for this set. I did want to incorporate as much as I could in this video on all the nails, but then when I got kind of carried away with one of the items in the box, you're going to see here in just a minute, we kind of took a different direction. So here's what we're working with. This right here looks great just like this, but we're going to take it up a notch. I wanted to try playing with one of these charms. This cherry I thought was just so beautiful. I really like, it's gold, but it's not like that harsh gold. It's more of like a white gold. And I just feel like it's so beautiful and just sparkly. I love how it's the bow with the cherries, and the cherries are that heart. So right now I'm kind of figuring out what nail I want to put it on. We're going to put it on the red nail. I just felt like with that white gold on that red, it just really made it pop. And then I'm using the solid tip glue from Sundara Nails. I've used this for my charms. I feel like it works great. I haven't had any issues with my charms popping off or anything like that. This is my first time ever playing with like a larger charm like you're seeing right here. And I did wear this for 2 days, and I did bump my hand pretty hard when I was putting away dishes, and that charm stayed on. So the solid tip glue is definitely working for me. I do have some rhinestone glue on the way, so the next couple times we'll play with that. But this is definitely an option for you if you are looking for some charm glue that's not super runny. The solid tip glue, I feel like for me personally, works really well. I like that it's not runny, so then I can really line up where I want the charm to be, and I have a little bit of wiggle room to move it around without that charm, especially because that charm is a little bit heavy. It's not moving around or anything like that. So now that I have this charm almost exactly where I want it, we're going to go ahead and stick that in the lamp, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for a full 60 seconds. Now that that's cured, we're going to finish up this nail with a layer of the gel top coat. So I'm just applying that not on top of that charm or anything like that. I'm applying it to just the sides, and this is what worked best for me. If you have any other suggestions on how to top coat that with a charm, let me know in the comment section below. All right, so we're gonna play with these really fun hearts. I got totally carried away with these hearts. So right now I'm doing a layer of gel top coat to the nail. You could also use a layer of gel base. I like doing the top coat because it doesn't have like that stickiness to it. So I'm able to move these hearts around more freely. If you are using a base coat, it kind of has like that stickiness to it. It's a little bit, I don't know, that's probably like the wrong way to describe it. I just feel like I can't easily flow the hearts around like I can with a layer of gel top coat, if that makes sense. So I'm applying these most adorable tiny hearts all over the nail here. And I'm going to speed it up here so we're not sitting here forever. But I am just picking up all the different colors and I am placing them over the entire nail. And there's just something about how tiny these hearts are. I just feel like they're just so cute. And I cannot wait to play with these even more and do a little bit of other color combinations with this. But I just feel like they're so cute. They can be placed on all over the nail like we're doing right now. You could do other things with them, like create different designs. And I feel like you could place this on any color just to give it that extra pop. And you could do like an accent nail like we're doing right now, or you could do it on all the nails. I just think it's just so fun. So I cured for 60 seconds. I'm going to do another layer of the regular gel top coat to the entire nail, and then I am going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to change it up. We're going to do a matte top coat on this nail. I was really curious on how this was going to look with a matte finish, and so we're just going to apply it to the entire nail and then cure for 60 seconds. And I can tell you already, I'm obsessed. I love this beautiful milky pink background, and then we have these really fun glitters with a matte finish. I just feel like it's really fun. All right, so now we're gonna play with some of these charms here. I know I wanted to add a heart here. I should have probably just kept it as is and not even added these charms to it. But I was like, okay, let's just add a little bit of charm to this nail here with those rhinestones. So I'm doing a layer of gel top coat. I'm taking the wax point on my precision tool here, and I'm just picking up one of the heart charms here, and I am just going to go ahead and place it there right on the side and just move it around to kind of see where I want it. So right here, this is probably where I should have stopped and just kept the heart, but then I was like, oh no, let's add some more. So I'm adding some of these little tiny pieces here of the rhinestone glitter here, just like the smaller circles here, and I'm just going to add one to each side. And again, I'm just playing with these charms. It's not really anything too serious right now. We're just having fun and just kind of giving a good feel on these charms, but I really love how this turned out overall. I just feel like the pinky nail and the thumbnail could have been like without, or I should have added more of those smaller hearts to it to kind of tie everything together. I will say I did have a lot of fun playing with these charms and hand placing those glitters and playing with the rhinestones. I cannot wait to dive into this more and get a little bit more comfortable with the charm placement. And this is all for fun. Keep in mind, I just do this for fun as a hobby for myself. I am not a professional when it comes to nails at all. So any helpful tips that you have, definitely leave them in the comments below. So we're just finishing up the pinky nail here. We are adding one of those tiny little heart-shaped glitters, and I'm just getting it exactly where I want it here. And then we're gonna go ahead and cure for a full 60 seconds. All right, so that's all we're doing for that nail. And then here's the finished set. I will say I do like this set. However, the thumbnail, I just don't really, we're not vibing. I don't know if it's the placement, or I should have used some nail stickers or kind of flowed in more of those tiny heart glitter pieces. I don't know what it is. I don't like it. But at the end of the day, it's just nails and we can always change it up. This is a press-on set, so I could definitely easily create a different thumbnail. But I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Stay tuned. We will be playing with more charms here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.